first started this project, what, has it been a year now?
It's been a year.
We said that on demo day, we were gonna light up a stogie as a celebration, as a memento to actually getting this project started. And the reason why is we got delayed, and there was always 2 more weeks and 2 more weeks and 2 more weeks. It was Hurricane Ian.
18-foot waves, epic destruction.
Take a look at the cars now. They're all bunched into each other over there.
It was the bank, it was always something, but today's the day we finally made it. So
We're here.
We're here.
Non-stop. Make up for a lost time.
That's right. To a great future and to, you know, just a long-lasting friendship. Yep. And I appreciate you, Todd, and everything you're doing. And yeah, man. So
we appreciate you too, Kris. Appreciate your patience, and know that the world gets in the way.
That's right. That's right. So hopefully we'll be going and moving into this thing in 6 to 8 months, maybe. You know, so that's the plan. But the most important day got started, and that was demo day, and today is the day. So, cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Been waiting for this day, man.
This is a par 4, you know.
Come on, Todd. Oh, man. He's a pro.
What?
We finally demoed these buildings. We're on building number 2 out of the 3. Hopefully by the end of this week, we'll start on number 3. And as we go into next week, the goal is to get all 3 buildings completely demoed, all the interior stuff knocked out, and then combine the spaces into one by knocking down these exterior walls, shoring them up so that they stay up, they don't fall down, so the roof stays in one piece. But then, we get to start framing this place out, and we get to start, actually moving on to the next step where we put it back together and start making it look amazing. So I hope you're gonna join me on this journey, guys. This has been a good one. This is just the beginning. So much for you guys to see, and so glad that you can join me on this one. See ya, peace.